Hi there, Henry from Lochtree. Today we're talking about the Cora Ball. The Cora Ball was designed to help prevent microfibers from entering our water systems. Our clothing during the washing process sheds fibers, and synthetic clothing sheds synthetic fibers, known as microfibers. These are categorized as microplastics. The Cora Ball's design mimics the way coral reefs filter water in the ocean and takes this concept directly to your washing machine. Simply place a Cora Ball into your washing machine and let it go to work. You'll find fibers beginning to collect in the Cora Ball, and over time, when there's a decent volume of them, you can simply pluck them out and dispose of them in your rubbish bin. Independent studies have found that by adding a Cora Ball into your washing machine, you can reduce the volume of microfibers that flow down your drain with the wastewater by up to 31%. The Cora Ball is made from 100% recycled plastic materials and is built to withstand the extreme temperatures in your washing machine, giving you years and years of use. Come check out the Cora Ball today at lochtree.com.